All right, welcome back to the channel, you guys. My name is Loc'd and I go by Loc'd on all of my social media platforms. So feel free to follow me on whatever your favorite platform is. Today we're getting ready to dive into some energy of the tarot cards and hopefully pull some messages of inspiration, something that will help you to be motivated, some sort of guidance. And as we're pulling these messages, I just want to put a disclaimer that I am hoping that they come to me and through me through pure intentions. So we're going to be doing a 1-card read for each zodiac sign today. So if you've watched my previous videos, then we're just going to roll the dice. One has the zodiac signs, then the other has the number. So the number will be used to determine how many times we actually shuffle the cards. And then I guess as well, at the end of the 1-card read, we could also give each zodiac sign a affirmation from the Mindful Collective deck. So yeah, that is what we got going on for today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, Divine, who do we have a message for now? Who do we have a message for? All right, so we have Taurus and we have 1 shuffle. All right, Divine, please help me to channel a message of inspiration and or guidance for our Tauruses today. Please allow the message to come from my mind, heart, and tongue with pure intentions and love. Let's get into it. All right, so we have the King of Cups, so with the King of Cups, it is showing it's an emotional card. It's somebody who is pretty much at the highest heights of what one person could be when it comes to being able to control and channel their emotions. The King of Cups is someone who is wise, like a mentor. It could also be like someone like a pastor or someone that gives you guidance in the spiritual realm. So you could be embodying this type of energy, or you could have someone around you that's embodying this energy, Taurus. The King of Cups is also very successful. All right, so this King of Cups is believing that responsibility comes before self-expression. So he's used his creative powers to create rules and guidance socially for those that could be in like certain businesses, or it could be laws, it could just be divinity all in itself. So instead of the king just having this power and it being all about him, he uses it to the benefits of others and just creating something a bit stronger. And he uses his powers to just kind of hold himself responsible for those around him. However, Taurus, you have to be completely careful not to suppress all of your emotions that you have within this energy. Even though you're able to control them well, there's a difference between controlling and suppressing them. So you have to make sure that you're finding some type of outlet that you can as well express your emotions. It doesn't always have to be you creating something. Sometimes you just need to have someone to go to and talk things out. But overall, you do have a sense of enjoyment. You have a lot of blessings surrounding you. You're very compassionate in this energy. So that is pretty much what I have for you today, Taurus, concerning your 1-card pull. Let me go ahead and grab a affirmation card for you as well. This one wants to pop out, so we'll go ahead and take it. All right, so the affirmation card says, I breathe in love and exhale fear. I breathe in love and exhale fear. I breathe in love and exhale fear. All right, Taurus, so that is what I have for your reading today. I hope you were able to pick up something, or that something resonated with you. If so, be sure to go ahead and like this video and also subscribe so that you don't miss any of your future readings. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do upload a video for you. But that's it. I'll see you in the next one, Taurus. Bye.